have to tell this boss, who thinks they don't have to follow the contract, who thinks they don't have to respect you, has learned a big lesson here, is that no one in this community is going to stand by and let them walk all over us. I am so proud to see healthcare workers standing up for dignity out in the sun and out on the street. I'm going to hand it over to Jesse Martin.
Hey, what do we say? Look, PCHC has for this entire year ignored our issues in labor manager meetings. I know we had a chapter meeting in the spring to talk about a time and attendance policy that disciplines our members when you get COVID-19. And we didn't like that, did we?
No!
We, as part of our contract in 2022, we said that we wanted to look at our job descriptions and our workload, which over the years has continued to grow, but doesn't match our paycheck. Is that right?
Yes!
We had a promise from this employer in our contract that they would sit down and have a discussion with us about that workload and about our pay. That discussion didn't happen. The answer from our proposal, which was detailed, which involved members and delegates from across PCHC, was answered 2 months later with a simple, single word: no.
Shame on them! Shame!
At PCHC, we are the backbone of healthcare for the city of Providence.
That's right.
Federally qualified clinics are the backbone of the healthcare of people on Medicaid, who are working people. If we don't have the resources to deliver good care, that means our communities don't have it. And that's a shame. Now, I want to thank, and we're going to, by the way, we're going to continue to put out what's going on at PCHC here in Providence and across our clinics until they are held accountable to what's going on in these centers. Is that fair to say, guys?
Yes!
I want to thank all of the elected officials that have come. I'll name a few, and please, be patient with me with the names and everything else. Treasurer James Diosa, thank you for coming. Representative Dave Morales, Representative Enrique Sanchez, City Council President Rachel Miller, Representative Scott Slater, City Councilor Juan Pichardo, Pedro Espinal, thank you, Congressman Seth Magaziner, and also I just want to say that the offices of the Chief of Staff of the Senate, Jake Vasilian and SEIU 580 for joining us out here. Look, the backbone of the way that PCHC and these federally qualified clinics get their money is it's all of our public money, okay? Whether it's federal, state, or city. We have to ensure that our public money is spent in the right way, correct? And that public money means recognizing our frontline caregivers at PCHC and across the state. Thank you very much, and we'll be in touch what happens next. We'll be back!
Yay!
Thank you!
Make an announcement, get back in on time.
Say!